Preparation. Place the machine on a clean flat surface and ensure the machine is level. We lock the print head with this to prevent damage from collisions during transportation. So first, we need to remove this part. Next, let's check whether the collection lines of the print head loose or not, and also the ink dampers. So we need to take off the protective cover of the print head. Turn the knob counterclockwise to lower the camping. Move the card to the left. Then use a screwdriver to remove the screws on both sides. Remove the protective cover from the print head. Here are the positions of the print head. Check whether all the ink dampers are fully inserted and whether the dead cables are fully connected. Check the distance between the print head and the print platform. Move the card back and raise the camping. Another point to be aware of is that we need to connect the ground wire to the printer. Load film. Here you can see this is spindle that's going to be where the roll of paper is placed. Both sides are movable, so you can mount a lateral roll of paper. Here is the transfer film, and make sure the outside is the print side. Push the adapters into the paper core at both ends until they are fully inserted into the roll. And then tighten the screws. Pull the lock lever out. Insert the end of the film into the paper slot and feed it through. Make sure these pinch rollers are in the center position of the film, and make sure the film is free of slack. And then lock the lever. Power on for self-test. Next, we're going to turn on the machine for self-test. Connect power. Turn on the leakage protector switch, main switch, and start button. Check for exceptions. Connect printer to PC. After machine self-test, if the printer control panel shows this, it means everything is okay. Install the printer control software. Double-click Setup. Select your language. Here we select Row and select Net. Accept the agreement. Click Next. And wait for the installation to complete. Next step, we're going to connect the printer to computer via a LAN cable. The important thing is to make sure you have a gigabit Ethernet. For wide collection, if you see the word gigabit or GBE in the device name, the adapter is gigabit capable. Connect ink tubers and fill inks. Next, we're going to fill the ink into the printer. Turn off the printer, and we're going to connect the ink tubers first. We marked each ink tuber with C, M, Y, K, W, and this one for moisturizer. Insert the ink tubers in sequence according to ink colors. Make sure the ink tubers are fully inserted. And then collecting the low ink align. Lock the barcodes and going to fill the inks. Pour the ink into the bunker ink bottles one by one. After filling the ink, open the barcodes. Don't forget to insert the wet ink tuber into the wet ink container. Turn on the printer. Wait for the ink to circulate to the ink dampers. This process will take a few minutes. Here you can adjust the ink circulation speed a little faster. We speed up to 20. Press Menu, Head Clean. Filling up to fill ink. This function will help the ink flow quickly to the printhead. Repeat this option several times until the ink is filled into the ink dampers. If you want to complete the ink filling quickly, you can use a syringe. You have to be very careful in this process and make sure your hands are dry during operation. Take out the ink damper. Turn it upside down. Hold both sides of the ink dampers. Do not touch the middle place to prevent the ink from being squeezed out. Draw slowly and firmly until the ink fills the damper. And then insert the ink damper back into the printhead. Now the ink has completely flowed into the printhead. Let's do clean and print a nozzle check. Printhead alignment. So next, we're doing printhead alignment. This function will fix vertical misalignment, horizontal bending, and blurring printout. Print base step, vertical calibration, horizontal, and step adjustment. Make all lines the straightest and the zero. For example, we print the base step. When it prints these numbers, you look for the straightest line. If the 5 is the straightest line, you need to plus 5 here. Click Save and reprint it. In this way, the base step adjust is done. For vertical calibration, we print vertical calibration. This machine has 4 print heads, so we need to adjust the value of each head. Make all lines the straightest and zero, so it's easy. After alignment, the printer is getting ready to print. Print jobs. Import a job, then click the print icon to print. You can also rip your job when printing directly from the rip software. Next video, we will share how to rip your job for DTF printing, how to use Photoshop to create a white ink spot color channel. Any other questions, just comment below or contact with SUBLISTAR team so we can share more experiences and learn together. Thanks for watching.